Hi, my name is Dr. Rudy Coscia. I've been here now at the Plastic Surgery Center for a little over 6 years. I originally am from Memphis, Tennessee. I did my medical school back there at the University of Tennessee. Then I came out here to California originally for residency. I went to UC Davis here in Sacramento for both general surgery and plastic surgery. And there's quite a few good reasons to stay here. I felt the weather, the outdoor activities is awesome. In addition, the Plastic Surgery Center is an institution that's been around now for 45 years, and just to have the opportunity to be a part of that and go with it into the future was a really great privilege and honor that I just couldn't pass up. I guess it was back in high school where I really got interested in medicine. My parents even tell stories, I guess you can look at them as sweet and cute or kind of weird, but I would cut open my stuffed animals and then fix them inside and then sew them back up. And so I guess that's my start in plastic surgery. But went into medical school wanting to be a surgeon. It kind of took some shifts and turns of what piqued my interest. But ultimately really started liking plastic surgery. I felt that it was a specialty where you could really see what you're doing. It was a very creative type of field rather than more of a mechanical type of surgery. It was one where you got to individually evaluate each patient kind of based off of what was most important to them and what was an area of concern for them, and then apply surgical techniques and new concepts, and then both a creative aspect to that as well, where we could make some changes there. So it's really cool to watch patients see those changes and go through that process with them to see the ultimate outcome that eventually becomes apparent. Two of the main procedures that I enjoyed doing most, I think, would be a tummy tuck and a facelift. And the reason for that is it's one of those, just to put it simply, it's a bang for your buck procedure. It's a procedure that I don't worry about, will this patient be happy with this? Will it live up to their expectations of what they're hoping for and what they're investing into and what they're going through this experience for? I feel that on just a routine basis, patients come out of those types of procedures feeling very happy they did it, having the result even exceed what they were hoping. Also with a facelift, it's a procedure when done correctly and applied correctly to the right patient. It makes a dramatic difference, and my goal, my job is to make it look like you never saw me, that I was never a part of the equation and it's just you, and you just are looking your best. So I think that's a fun part of what we do, and I would say those are the two things I enjoy doing the most. One of the big questions is, how do you find the right surgeon? I think you can look at it a lot of different ways. There's some key points I think people should consider. I think one is the training that the person's had. This is a big decision that every patient is going to make as to whether or not cosmetic surgery is right for them. And you want to make sure you've done your research on that. So I would say someone that's done their full residency training in surgery, and most specifically plastic surgery, and that they've done some further training in subspecialization towards a cosmetic approach to plastic surgery. It's just those countless procedures one after the other that really gives you the experience to be able to handle each different case that a patient brings to the table, because no one's the same. Another important thing to look for, I believe, is that the surgeon is board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. That's the national board that is basically the stamp of approval that they have been fully vetted and gone through the full process of becoming a board certified plastic surgeon. Another aspect is that you click with the surgeon. You can check all the other boxes, but you want to have a good relationship with that person. You'll hear us say, even if you come in to do a consultation with us, we encourage you to get more consults with other people. We're not worried about that. We want you to find the right match for you. If it's myself, I'll be happy to take care of you. We have been recently expanding our practice significantly into the Granite Bay area. This is the area that I live in. I love this area, I love the people. So if you ever want to come visit me, have a consultation and talk about some of your concerns, we have a great staff here at our Granite Bay office on Sierra College Boulevard that would be happy to take care of you. So thanks so much for checking us out today. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.